Welcome to this geometry lesson on arc measure. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating relationship between central angles and the arcs they create on a circle. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how to measure an arc in degrees. Before we dive in, let us review the basic parts of a circle. The center is the exact middle point. The radius is the distance from that center to the edge, and the circumference is the full distance around the outside. These three elements are the building blocks for understanding angles. So, what is a central angle? It is quite simple. A central angle is an angle where the vertex, or the pointy part, sits exactly at the center of the circle. The sides of this angle are made up of two radii. Think of it like a slice of pizza originating from the center. Now, let us look at the arc. An arc is just a portion of the circle's circumference. If the central angle is the pizza slice, the arc is the crust. Just like angles, we can measure these arcs in degrees. Here is the most important rule you need to remember for this topic. The measure of a minor arc is exactly equal to the measure of its central angle. That means, if you know the degrees of the angle at the center, you automatically know the degrees of the arc. Let us look at a concrete example. Here we have a right angle at the center, which measures 90 degrees. Because of our rule, the arc intercepted by this angle also measures 90 degrees. It is a 1-to-1 match. This rule holds true for any size angle. In this example, we have a wider, obtuse angle measuring 135 degrees. Consequently, the arc connecting the endpoints of this angle also measures 135 degrees. It is helpful to know the three types of arcs. A minor arc is smaller than half a circle, usually less than 180 degrees. A major arc is the long way around, larger than half a circle. And a semicircle is exactly half of the circle, or 180 degrees. When writing this down, we use specific notation. For minor arcs, we use two letters, representing the endpoints, like arc AB for major arcs. We use three letters, adding a point in the middle to show the direction. Like arc ADB, this helps us avoid confusion about which path to take around the circle. To wrap up, remember these key points. A central angle starts at the center. An arc is part of the edge. And most importantly, the degree measure of the arc is always equal to the degree measure of the central angle. Keep this rule in mind, and you will master circle geometry in no time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.